Hey guys, coming to you with an under 20 Tuesday, and this is gonna be next week's. I'm doing a play on the Grab 5 that Adele does, and I want to say I've seen it a few times. Anyway, I'm gonna do some chipboards, this ephemera pack. What's this called? Tiny words, doilies, a doily. What is that? And I think this was for the other one. And of course my paper pad that I'm trying to get used up, because as you can see I'm almost done. So, shall we? Anyway, this is a picture of me wearing my jewelry that my mommy made me, and it's very, very pixelated. That is not my camera, that's the picture looking like that, but I thought it kind of looked okay, so I'm gonna roll with it. Anyway, these are 8.5 by 11. This is 8.5 by 11 that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be looking for a somewhat solid background, so that doily pops off really cool like. Toss this to the side. I have a very minimal space that I'm working with here. If you guys have seen my little tour area thing. You know what? I did not change that. Crazy. Okay, anyway. Let's not focus on the negative. I did not plan any of this, as you can tell, which I feel like is kind of part of the fun. So 8.5 by 11. Okay. This is from Spiegelmom Scraps. These are the 8-inch doilies. So I think I'm going to trim this down just a little bit. I think I'm going to do, I don't know, maybe I will bring those things in. Alphas. What I'm trying to think of here. Alright, let's layer some colors. Oh, you know what? This has some big ones. Let's see what it has. Oh. Because I'm at work while I took this picture, so. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Yep, every time. It's almost as if I challenge myself to put the adhesive in the wrong spot. And I don't even know I'm doing it. Like, I didn't even know I was challenging myself. Okay. Man, an adhesive is extremely sticky. There we go. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's push the doily down. Smack in the middle. Probably should have put a timer on for myself. Come on. There we go. And I like that the neutral is pretty, I mean the back's pretty neutral so that everything else can be very colorful. Oh, I like that idea because that's, I work at work, so this is where I am. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, not Saturday. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I like that. Okay. I didn't even have to bring in any layering from the other one, so... Okay, I heard donuts. I like that, but I wanted to put the word fancy on there, I think. Let's see what we have here. Let's trim this down just a smidgy widge. Okay, I do like that there. I'm gonna pull it over a little bit, so, and down. There we go. Oh, no, go back up. There we go. Now let's spell out fancy. It's a word that I use often. And I'm not real sure why. But when somebody tells me something, you know, I'm like, fancy. Yeah, I'm that weirdo. Let's just see if I can spell it right. That would be a miracle in itself. Let's just be honest here, guys. And I actually have some Y's. I've figured out that is the letter, which is the craziest letter in the world to me to go through crazy fast. All my citrus twist kits, none of them have Y's. Like, what are you really spelling there, Shannon? Alright. Oh, Freckle Fawn, what are we going to do with you? Dee-dum-dum-dum. What about some... If it all fall out, that's okay. Ooh, I like that. Excuse me. Are these stickers? Yes, they are. I'll lock it. The orange one is totes not going to work, and that's fine. We'll bring in the feather. And I know I've told you guys before, I don't really feel like putting lovey-dovey stuff on here is a good idea when I'm the one in the picture. It just feels awkward. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're stickers, and then I'll be able to do whatever. Now, gosh. I'm nicer when I like my outfit. That's kind of fitting. Ooh. Ah, come back here. Wild, Cheeky, and Wonderful. No, Cheeky, Wild, and Wonderful. And Bury Them with a Smile. I don't know if that would really work. Hey, What's Up? We'll do that one. Boom, shaka, laka. I like that. Okay, now I totally didn't even think about planning even remotely for the extra little tiddly bits here. So, let's wing it. I'm not good at winging it. These are all hearts. Crap. Oh, lay down. Okay, what do we do? Stop. Think about it. Those are all, do I have enough hearts? The answer to that is no. Never. What about some arrows? Black, little bits. Like, this is more of a gray, so I don't really want to do that. Ooh, what about this? It's too big, too small. It's kind of cute. I had to look back and make sure that I didn't have a heart in it, because that would have been weird. Am I right? I'm right. Oh. This one didn't have a whole lot of little stuff in it, so that's probably going to be not a good thing to look through. So, do I want to leave it here? I feel like it has to have little sprinkly bits. Ah! I don't have time for that. Please don't. See that black? Ugh. Oh, I want to do today. Is that color? Oh, that's not a bad one. Two circles next to each other I'm not wild about though. Those aren't gonna fit. Match, I mean. What about broke it. And I'm using that sheet up because I only have one more. That probably did not sound good. I don't know about this guy. Don't break, don't break. Okay, there we go. Cover that hole up so I don't add nothing to it. Alright. I think I'm going to stop. I feel like if I add too much more, then it's going to be too much more. So I do need, let's use this. I will add some Nouveaux because Nouveaux are the bomb.com. Oh, how do they do on pictures? What didn't I know? Do we want to find out is the question. Kinda, I do. This will probably take 8 years to dry. Okay, what do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed my grab 5 under 20. All kinds of stuff going on here. The background's pretty busy, so I'm kind of glad I didn't over embellish. Or I feel like I don't. I hope you guys feel the same way. So I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.